Skycatch's business is to connect our customers with accurate, reliable 3D data about their large industrial projects. We're the ones that help them actually collect and capture and process that data, so we connect them to their projects in a way that they've never been able to before. We provide our customers an end-to-end solution that includes all the hardware, all the software, and even the enterprise developer tools to integrate this really powerful data into every aspect of all their projects. Collaboration for Komatsu and Skycatch is very special and powerful. We're not just a vendor, we're true partners with dedicated teams in both companies to work very closely together and spend time together on job sites, solving real problems for real customers across all units of the business and across many different continents. The type of support that Komatsu has provided Skycatch has been a really strong connection to machine control technology in Australia. This is something that we didn't have direct access to, but that connection they provided us allows us to truly innovate and solve real problems with real technology in ways that we weren't able to before. So my advice to startups that would like to collaborate with companies like Komatsu is to put yourself in the position of a partner. Ask this other company to be a real partner and to commit on both sides, both time and resources. And more than anything else, once you have that, spend time in their environment, at their job site, at their office, directly with their teams. Nothing else will get you further or faster than doing those things. For this hackathon, my advice to the participants and the startups is to focus much of your time connecting directly with the personnel from Komatsu. Make sure you really understand the problems that they have. Pick a really good one, flush it out, and then work on the solution. Don't dive straight to some solution because it seems cool, it might be, but make sure you really partner with Komatsu to understand how are you going to bring them value right away, and pick the smallest, most valuable thing you can do first.